How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes, and check this little bad boy out. It's a Yamaha R1, and you might remember it from last year as well, because I actually sold it last year, and the chap's traded it in with us and treated himself to a Super Duke car. And good news for us, we've got it back up for sale. So absolutely cracking bike is this. Looks the bee's knees in the Milwaukee Replica. Looks unreal. 2015 on a 15 plate. It's on 12,915 miles, and it's just absolutely stunning, as you can see. So it looks brilliant in the Milwaukee. Oh, it's alarmed. So real nice bike. It's got the headlight protectors on it down there, but you can just see the daytime running lights and the LEDs there. Full colour TFT display on this bike. You get adjustable traction control, adjustable ABS. You get a few different power modes. You get adjustable slide control. Proper wicked bike. I love this one. My favourite bike that's ever come through the shop here. It's got some pazzo levers. It's got the brake guard there. You've got big protection on the side of the bike there. You've got an Akrapovic end can and an aftermarket decat. Been remapped by ourselves as well, so it runs absolutely perfect. You've got the tail tie there. Loads of nice little carbon bits as well. It's got a tinted double bubble screen. It's got everything that you need. Aftermarket rear sets. You can see that there. So if you can just look, and you zoom in a little bit, you can see there how much brake you're putting on and how much throttle you're putting on when the bike is running. So proper wicked bike. Give it a quick fire up, 'cause it sounds pretty naughty. Boom. Absolutely cracking bike is this. Like I said, one of my favourites. I don't think it'll be up for sale for very long. Last year I sold it the same day it came in. So if you do want it, get yourself on our website, give us a call, or pop on down and see it for yourself. Thank you very much for watching.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.